Kanchipuram is an ancient city in South India, its history dating back to 2nd century BC. Kanchipuram is located 75 kilometers from Chennai, well connected with roadways and railways. Nearest airport, Chennai Airport. Kanchipuram is one of the 7 sacred cities in India, only one in South India. Kanchipuram famous for its old temples and silk sarees. Kanchipuram is called as Temple City since there are about thousands of big and small ancient temples can be seen almost in every streets of Kanchipuram. Some of the famous and must-visit temples of Kanchipuram are Egambarnathar Temple, Kamakshi Amman Temple, Varadaraja Perumal Temple, Kailasanathar Temple, Kachabareswarar Temple, Vaikunta Perumal Temple, Ulagalanda Perumal Temple, and Kumarakottam Subramania Swami Temple. Let us see this temple's information in detail. Egambarnathar Temple, one of the ancient temple in India, having been in existence since at least 600 AD. Egambarnathar Temple located 2 kilometers from Kanchipuram bus stand and approximate 1 kilometers from Kamakshi Amman Temple. Sthala of this temple is 3500 years old mango tree. Branches of this tree said to heal 4 different types of mangoes. As per legend, Devi Parvati made a Shivalinga out of sand and prayed to Lord Shiva. Still the same Shivalinga available in the temple as Moolagar or main deity. This vast temple covers an area of over 40 acres. Rajagopura of this temple is one of the tallest in India with 190 feet height. The notable feature of this temple is Ayaramkal Mandapam, or the hallway with 1000 pillars. Kamakshi Amman temple located approximate 1 kilometers from Kanjipuram bus stand. Kanji Kamakshi Amman, one of the very powerful Shakti Sthal in India, in line with Madurai Meenakshi and Kashi Vishalakshi. Kamakshi is seated in majestic Padmasana, yogic pose signifying peace and prosperity. The temple occupies an area of 5 acres with 4 big Rajagobrams in all the 4 directions. Kamakshi is the only Shakti shrine centered across all Shiva temples in Kanjipuram. Varadaraja Perumal Temple, one of the famous Vishnu temple in South India, in line with Srirangam and Tirupati. Varadaraja Perumal Temple is located in Vishnu Kanji or Sinna Kanjipuram, approximate 4 kilometers from Kanjipuram main bus stand. Varadaraja Perumal Temple is one of the Divya Desam, renovated around 1000 years ago by Chola kings. This temple covers a vast area of 23 acres with 130 feet tall 7-tiered Rajagopram. Attivaradar or idol made of fig tree preserved under water in the temple tank, brought out for worship once in 40 years, worshipped for 48 days and immersed in water for next 40 years. This festival last held in July-August 2019 and the next Attivaradar festival will held in 2059. $100-pillared mandapam and a single stone chain near the entrance of the temple, and the gold gilded and silver lizard over the roof of the temple are other significant features of this temple. Kanji Kailasanadar temple is one of the oldest structure in Kanjipuram. Kailasanadar temple located 2.5 kilometers from Kanjipuram main bus stand towards west direction. This temple was built from 685 to 705 AD by Pallava king Rajasimha. Kailasanatha temple is one of the most prominent tourist attraction in Kanjipuram, maintained by Archaeological Survey of India. This temple contains 58 small shrines around the temple dedicated to various forms of Shiva. Sandstone wall contains large number of carvings. A small passage seen within the walls of main shrine. Passing through this passage is indicative of passing through life. It is believed that Rajaraja Chola I visited the temple and drew inspiration from this temple to build Thanjavur Brihadishwara temple. Kachabareshwara temple, one of the most famous and big temples in Kanjipuram. Kachabareshwara temple, located approximately 1 km from Kanjipuram bus stand towards Kailasanatha temple road and around 1 km from famous Ekambareshwara temple. Lord Vishnu is believed to have worshipped Shiva in the form of Kachaba, also known as tortoise. Kachabareshwara temple was built by Pallava kings in 7th century, visited by King Rajaraja Chola in 10th century. There is another Shiva temple called Ishtasiddhishwara temple located inside the same temple campus. Vaikunta Perumal temple, one of the oldest Vishnu temple in Kanjipuram, maintained by Archaeological Survey of India. Vaikunta Perumal temple located just 850 meters from east of Kanjipuram bus stand. Lord Vishnu is worshipped as Vaikuntanathan and Lakshmi as Vaikuntavalli. This temple is one of the Divya Desam dedicated to Lord Vishnu. This temple is believed to be built by Pallava king Narasimhavarman around 1600 years ago. This is a 3-floored temple with Lord Vishnu in different postures available in each floor. Lord Vishnu is seated in the ground floor, lying in the first floor and standing in the second floor. Ground floor accessible to devotees on daily basis. First floor accessible only on Ekadasi days. Second floor inaccessible to devotees. Ulagalanda Perumal temple in Kanjipuram is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, located very close to Kamakshi Amman temple. It is one of the Divya Desam and one of the oldest temple in Kanjipuram, built around 1500 years back. Vishnu in the form of Vamana or Ulagalanda Perumal as a huge idol stands about 35 feet height and 24 feet width. Pose that depicts Lord Vishnu has one foot on planet Earth and other on the sky. Another rare feature of this temple is this temple houses 4 Dividesam on its own. They are Thirukaragam, Thirupadagam, Thiruuragam and Thiriniragam, which cannot be found in any other temple. Kumarukottam temple in Kanjivaram is dedicated to Lord Murugan, also known as Subramania Swami. This ancient temple was rebuilt in its present form in 1915. The temple is one of the major temples in Kanjivaram. Kumarukottam temple located behind Kamakshi Amman temple. Kandapuranam was written by Kachiyappa Shivacharya for Lord Subramaniar of Kumarukottam, and Saint Arunagirinathar visited this temple.